to my channel. My name is Shirley Howard and I'm a fashion reseller on Poshmark and eBay. So if you're interested on Poshmark or interested in eBay or fashion reselling, hit that subscribe button below to be notified when new videos are released. So today's video is a different one for me. This is I'm not picking up these brands in 2021. I've been on Poshmark for about a year, and these are the brands that do not sell for me. If they sell for you, fantastic. I'm just not going to be picking these up at the thrift store. Some of it is surprising to me. Most of it is surprising to me, but not all of it is surprising. But let's just get into this. Brand 1, J. Crew. I paid 25 cents for this sweater, this cable knit men's sweater. That's a good price for J. Crew. I have listed and have tried to sell it for the last year. I don't find them terribly successful with this brand, so I'm not going to be picking it up in 2021. I will clear out what I have, but I've been trying. This is a new item. This hasn't gotten posted yet. But I have stuff that's been sitting with me for a really long time that I'm probably just going to take out of my closet and give it to the thrift store. I'm tired of sharing it, tired of not selling it. It's just taking up room in my life. I'm going to let it go. This brand, Free People. I think this is pretty cute. Lots of likes. I can't seem to give Free People away, and I can. If I want to sell this for $10, yes, I can sell it. If I want to sell J. Crew for $10, yes, you can sell it at $10. I do not want to sell $10 items. I don't want to sell $10 items. It's not worth it to me to take a picture of it, put it in a bag, put it in my inventory system, and share it and share it and share it. When I sell it for $10, I make no money. I'm not in this to make no money. So if I can't sell it for over $20, I don't need it. And I have some other stuff here too, brand new with tags. Not getting any value out of it for me. So Free People, market is oversaturated on Poshmark. There's just too much of it. This brand pains me to say this. Ralph Lauren, one of the top brands in the world, the most recognizable brands in the world. These are brand new. Again, can't seem to move them. Size large, normal size, pink and white, V-neck. This is a basic. I can't seem to clear Ralph Lauren. I find it at the thrift stores. I would have paid $3.75 for this, but it's not worth it if it's just going to sit in my inventory forever. So, sorry Ralph Lauren, unless you're super cheap, not picking you up in 2021. Zara. Zara. This is a brand new item. Lots of likes. No sales. It's really cute. I thought that the Zara pieces that had a bit more interest, like this one is an embroidered blouse, would sell. And again, I think I could sell it if I wanted to sell it for $10. I don't want to sell $10 items, so I may just have to offer this one up at a cheaper price and clear it out of my inventory. And sorry Zara, we are breaking up. This one actually really does pain me. Banana Republic. Brand new, with tags, cashmere sweater. I am not getting the value out of Banana Republic either. Banana Republic, again, has its problems. Banana Republic, oversaturated marketplace. It does have the factory store, so that kind of devalues the brand as well. But when I started on Poshmark, Banana Republic to me is a quality brand. But again, I have to learn to sell what sells on Poshmark, not what's preferable to me. So Banana Republic, done. There should be no surprise. This is a Gap. Gap and Old Navy. These things I got in bag day, so they cost me next to nothing. So I can get this out of my closet and give it away to the thrift store and not be out any kind of money. But again, the market is oversaturated with Gap and Old Navy. There's just so much out there, and again, I don't want to give this stuff away because it's not worth my time. So even though it's at a low price, I probably won't list any more Gap or Old Navy items because it's not worth my time. And Taylor Loft, another company with problems. This is one of the dresses I have from her. I actually really like the Ann Taylor brand. I find she has some really beautiful things. It's just no value in them on Poshmark for me. I have a couple other dresses listed, brand new with tags, giving them away practically. I'm just not getting people shopping for this brand on Poshmark. So if I pick it up for me personally, yes, I will pick it up for me personally. Banana Republic, yes, I'll pick that up for me personally. But to sell on Poshmark, Ann Taylor, Loft, it's just not doing it. Victoria's Secret or Pink, either one. There is absolutely no money on Poshmark for Victoria's Secret. These yoga pants, brand new with tags. At the very best, I'll get 20. At the very best. Even for brand new with tags, I'm only going to get maximum $20 out of this. And if I have to pay $5 for these pants and get 20 or less, it's really not worth it. I don't find that the Victoria's Secret, no matter how good it is or how new it is, makes me any money. I really have to sell them all at that $20 mark, or they just don't sell. And I have had to sell Victoria's Secret or the Pink brand under $20, as much as it pains me. But it is not a brand I'm going to pick up in 2021. And again, here we have another Free People. I must have been super excited about Free People. Another item that I have from Free People, brand new with tags. At the very best, I'm going to get $20 out of this top. The very best, and I would have paid $3.75 for this. Just not going to buy it anymore. This brand here, I thought would do well. This is Fabletics. This is an absolutely beautiful jacket. It is a really thick jacket. It has a really fine herringbone tweed pattern to it. It is a size large, so it's a desirable size. It's also very soft. I'm not getting any traction with Fabletics. Not even in this kind of item, which is a real nice quality item. I have some Fabletics leggings that are not moving and Fabletics tank tops that are not moving. And again, if I'm going to sell them, it's going to have to be at a rock bottom dollar in order to clear them out of my closet. And again, for me to sell something at $10, I would rather just send that back to the thrift store because it's not worth my time. The one item that I'm also not picking up that I didn't pull out of inventory is American Eagle jeans. I do source them for practically nothing on bag day, but I find they also sell on Poshmark for around $10 to $15. And for me, that's just not the margin I want to get. American Eagle is a mall brand. You can get it at the store after Christmas this time of year for next to nothing, brand new. So I really don't want to sell those items. So in 2021, I'm going to not focus on any of those store brands, or some people call them bread and butter brands, but they aren't for me because I don't want to sell at that low value. If that's your market, then fantastic. You can have my sales because I don't want them. I'm not going to pick up these brands in 2021. So on the bright side, I will be doing a video on the brands that I will be picking up in 2021 because I see that they actually have a margin, or I can make more money on those items. I want to focus spending my money on things that I can sell for higher dollar values. And that's one of my strategies for 2021. I'm going to get better products that have a higher resale value on Poshmark. And to do that, I need to do research into what sells on Poshmark. Forget about what Shirley likes to wear and focus on what people in Poshmark like to buy. So that was a different video for me, and if you've enjoyed the content on your way out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, drop me a note in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video.